everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther Regwavoin, and in this video I'm going to be addressing some of the possible reasons why your confirmation number still shows it's invalid. So, first of all, this is actually the page where you enter your information to check if you were selected or not for the diversity visa lottery. And if you can see in the browser here, this is the link to this page. So if you don't have that, you haven't checked yet, and you applied, you can, enter this link and it will display this page for you. So now, the first information, as you can see here, is the confirmation number. So this is the number that you received after you have completed or successfully completed your lottery application. You are asked to save that number so that because that's what you will use to actually check if you have been selected or not. So a lot of people have been saying, yeah, their confirmation number, even after the year has been opened for you to check, especially that of 2025, they still say their confirmation number is invalid. So what I'm going to start with is, for those who copy and pasted their confirmation number into this box here, you have to make sure that there is no space before and after you enter the confirmation number. So let me give you an example. And before I go there, as you can see here, there is this help text. This is the number of fields or values they are supposed to enter, which is 16, where YYYY is the program year. So that's the year you enter the lottery. So for the recent one is 2025. So if you put a space, sorry about that. So let me click here. If you put a space and then you enter 2025 HG 00 VG 1 I, let me use cap lock I, and then FRO, this is just an example, right? So now, do you notice there is a space before 2025? I'm sure you wouldn't just you wouldn't notice that, but there is a space before 2025, and that could cause you, I mean, that will cause the system to tell you that the number you entered is invalid. So you make sure there is no space before. I just deleted the space, and also after. As you can see, there is a space after. Make sure that you don't have any space before and after if you copy and pasted your confirmation number in this text box below. And now, looking at these numbers, you can see O and 0, letter O and 0. Let me use caps lock so it's would. Okay. So now, most people actually confuse um these two letter O and number 0. So what you can do, make sure that you check properly. Letter O is usually wider in size, whereas the number 0 is narrow in size. So you make sure that you check. If you look at your confirmation number, if you are typing it in, if it's 0, you can see the difference is wider. And the number, I mean, sorry, if it's letter O, is wider. And if it's the number 0, it's narrower. So make sure you take note of those two. And for number 1 and I mean, it looks similar. If you don't really look properly, you might miss it. So make sure that you check properly letter I and number 1. So you have to make sure you enter this correctly. And if you know, okay, yes, there's no space before and after, you've already know that, okay, the letter O and 0 looks correct from your judgment, the 1 and I, same thing, then you have to go to forgot confirmation number so that you will get, you can retrieve your confirmation number through that link, and that way you can now copy and paste directly into that box. So once you go to, you can see it says invalid confirmation number. Of course, this is the wrong one, so that's why it says it's invalid. So if you want to retrieve your confirmation number, you click forgot confirmation number. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. So now you can also copy the link in the browser if you want to write it down somewhere. So now here is the page that you can enter your details to retrieve your confirmation number. So all you have to do, if it's for 2025, also take note of that. You click, make sure that the check mark is on 2025. If you are checking that of 2024, then you have to click on 2024 and you have to make sure that the check mark is on that particular year. So if it's for 2025, you click 2025. If it's 2024, you click on 2024 and then you enter all. Let me go back 2025 because that's the most recent. So you enter all the information here as the information you used when you were filling the lottery form. So you put in your family name, your first name, middle name, if available. If not, you check this box. And then your date of birth, you enter as you entered on the electronic diversity visa entry form, same as the email address that you used on the form. And then you make sure you enter these characters as they appear in the picture in this text box. And then you click submit and you will receive your confirmation number if all the information you entered on this page are correct. And you can copy and paste. And like I said before, make sure that there is no space before and after. Just make sure you check, you cross check every word or every letter or every number from the confirmation number that you received. So I think that's it. I mean, that's all I have to share. And if you still receive invalid confirmation number, then please let me know in the comment section below and we can tackle it and know what the issue is. So thank you guys for watching and please share this video to as much as you know would need it. Give it a thumbs up if it was helpful, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to support this channel. Let us grow together. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.